Hi everyone, welcome to Think with Lakshmi. Today we discuss about some important MCQ based on cell and cell theory. The first question, the concept of omnicellular e-cellular regarding cell division was first proposed by. So the cell theory was first discovered by Sliden and Swan. And this theory was modified by Rudolf Virchow in 1855. So the correct answer is Rudolf Virchow. Option number A is the correct answer. So question number 1, option number A is the correct answer. Then question number 2, cellular organelle with membrane are. So which organelles are membrane bound cell organelles? Option number C is the correct answer. Lysosome, Golgi apparatus and mitochondria. Because ribosomes are the granular structure first observed by George Perlet in 1953. They are not surrounded by any membrane. So the correct answer is option number C. जदि आम राइबोसोम को ओमिट करवा ऑप्शन नंबर ए रे भी राइबोसोम अच्छी, ऑप्शन नंबर बी रे भी राइबोसोम अच्छी, ऑप्शन नंबर डी रे भी राइबोसोम अच्छी. जदि राइबोसोम को आम ओमिट करूचे देन ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. These all three organelles are surrounded by cell membrane. Surrounded by membrane. Then which of the following structure is not found in prokaryotic cell? So which organelle is not found in prokaryotic cell? Prokaryotic cell में cell membrane bound cell organelles are not found. So question number 3, prokaryotic cells do not have membrane bound organelle, they lack membrane bound nucleus. So question number 3, nuclear envelope is the right answer. Question number 3, nuclear envelope, option number D is the right answer. Membrane bound organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell. Question number 4, which of the following is not membrane bound? एबे मु कहली राइबोसोम membrane bound organelle नुहे, it is a granular structure. It is mainly composed of RNA and proteins. They are not surrounded by any membrane. So option number A, ribosome is the correct answer. Then question number 4, which of the following is not membrane bound? Question number 4, ribosome correct answer. Question number 3, nuclear envelope. Then question number 5, which one of the following organism is not an example of eukaryotic cell? Amoeba, Paramecium, Escherichia coli, Euglena. So Escherichia coli is your right answer. It is not an example of eukaryotic cell. Then come to question number 6. The main area of various activities of a cell is. Cell रो main area कोटा. Various activities depend on cytoplasm. सबू cell रो various activities कोठी complete हुए cytoplasm रे हुए. So 6 number B is वो cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the main area of cellular activities in both plants and animal cell. Question number 6, B is the correct answer. Then question number 7, membrane bound organelles are absent in Streptococcus, Chlamydomonas, Plasmodium and Saccharomyces. Chlamydomonas is a algae. Plasmodium also, Plasmodium protozoa रे जाउची हमर, Saccharomyces होची fungi रे जाउची. तो all three organisms are bearing cell organelle, that are eukaryotic cell also bearing cell organelles except Streptococcus. 7 number A is the correct answer, Streptococcus. Question number 8, a major breakthrough in the studies of cell came with the development of an electron microscope. This is because option number A रे देइछि, electron microscope is more powerful than the light microscope as it uses a beam of electron which has wavelength much longer than that of photons. Option B रे देइछि, resolution power of electron microscope is much higher than that of a light microscope. तो B टा ही correct answer होगा 8 number रो, resolution power of a electron microscope is much higher than that of a light microscope. तो 8 number रो B टा ही जिवो correct answer. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 देखिबा which is correct about cell theory in view of a current status of our knowledge about cell structure. So एबेर cell structure को current status रे रखी कि which statement is correct about cell theory. Option A रे देइछि it needs modification due to discovery of a subcellular structure like chloroplast and mitochondria. B रे देइछि modified cell theory means that all living beings are composed of a cells capable of reproducing. Option number C रे देइछि cell theory does not hold good because all living beings do not have cellular organization. ऑप्शन नंबर सी टा करेक्ट आंसर हम बिकज भाइरस को जदि आम देखा भाइरस क्षेत्र में भाइरस आर लिविंग बट दे डू नॉट हैव स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर सेल तर किसी पर्टिकुलर सेल स्ट्रक्चर न थाए दे बिकमिंग लिविंग आफ्टर इन्फेक्टिंग द होस्ट सेल हाउएवर अकॉर्डिंग टू सेल थ्योरी बट ये सेल थ्योरी कौन कौन ना ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर कंपोज्ड ऑफ अ सेल एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ अ सेल हियर सेल थ्योरी डज नॉट होल्ड गुड इटी सेल थ्योरी भाइरस की एप्रोप्रिएट नुहे भाइरस को जदि आम देखा तो ये कौन हो भाइरस रे सी सेल पर्टिकुलर सेल स्ट्रक्चर किसी ना आफ्टर सी इन्फेक्टिंग इन होस्ट सेल इट विल बी फॉर्म सो इट इज नॉट होल्ड गुड फॉर भाइरस सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी टा ही आमर करेक्ट आंसर हम देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 को जदि देखा नेम्स ऑफ स्लाइडेन एंड स्वान आर एसोसिएटेड विथ मुझे फर्स्ट कहली द स्लाइडेन माठिया स्लाइडेन एंड थियोडोर स्वान वाज प्रपोज्ड सेल थ्योरी ऑप्शन नंबर बी हो करेक्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 रिजोल्यूशन पावर इज द एबिलिटी टू distinguish two close points, distinguish two close object, distinguished amongst organelles, magnifying image. 11 number A have right answer. Resolution power is the ability to distinguish two close points. number A. Then 12 number the electron microscope has a high resolution power. This is due to electron microscope high resolution power is because of electromagnetic lenses, very low wavelength of electron beam. Option B is your right answer, very low wavelength of electron beam. Electron microscope has a high resolution power. Obviously we know electron microscope has a high resolution power. This is due to very low wavelength of electron beam, 0.005 microunit of electron beam which is used as a light source. It is products or it is produced when a metal filament is heated in a vacuum tube. जितेबाला metal filament को vacuum tube रे heat करूचे then it is produced at a high temperature that will be 50,000 volts. So 12 number B है correct answer. 12 number B. 13 question number 13 magnification of compound microscope is not connected with numerical aperture, focal length of objective, focal length of eyepiece, tube length. So focal length of objective, focal length of eyepiece, tube length, this is connected with the compound microscope but the numerical aperture is not connected with the magnifying compound microscope. Numerical aperture is a measure of how much light can be collected by a microscope lens. It has no relation with the magnification of a compound microscope. Our compound microscope सहित किसी relation नहीं. Okay. So आज हम देखले सेल थ्योरी ऊपर किछिटा MCQ important MCQ. Then एटा हम next class रे आउ किछि प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल एंड यूकैरियोटिक सेल ऊपर किछि MCQ डिस्कशन करिबा. Okay.